Hello. First of all, excuse my looks, but I'm at home and we've been sick for like almost 2 weeks now. But I did want to show you guys that I am making ornaments for our Christmas tree for our baby, and I want to show you my idea that I got. And they're super easy and super cute. It is going to be kind of Elmo themed because he loves Elmo, so we're gonna add some Elmo theme into our tree this year to get him excited. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show you. I probably will not talk through this because both angels are sleeping and I do not want to wake them up at all, so I'll just kind of show you without me saying anything. So I filled this clear ornaments with kind of like this shredded paper, like for gifts and stuff. And then these are all like in the gift section, like those papers they used to fill them in. And then I'll show you what I'm doing.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? ¡Es Navidad! ¡Santa Claus! ¡Es Elmo! Mira. El primero, mira, lo hizo tu mamá para ti. Mira. Es Elmo. Es Elmo. ¿Ya viste? Mira.
Uy, lo quiere abrazar.
Ay. Ay.
Cuidado. Elmo. No.